So we're going to be using the TI-84 Plus calculator to find the cubic model. The cubic model for the given data set below. We're going to try to find a cubic model that represents this data set. Round your coefficients to 3 decimals. So to enter your data into two lists, your X's in list 1, your Y's in list 2, you press the Start button. Press Enter to open the Edit menu. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out my list. You highlight the title or the name of the list at the top. Press Clear. Press the down arrow and your list should clear. So if something happens and you accidentally delete a list, to get your list back, you simply press the Start button. Go down to Setup Editor, press Enter again, and your list that you deleted should come back. But I need to go ahead and clear it out. And so now I'm going to enter my X's into list 1. And then I'm going to enter my Y values into list 2. It should be -3. And so to get the cubic model, you press Stat, highlight the right arrow to highlight Calculate, and you want a cubic model, so option 6, cubic regression, press Enter. And if you're always using list 1 and list 2, you never need to change these. List 1 is where you entered X, list 2 is where you entered Y. If something happens and you do use list 3 or 4 or something else, you can change this, clear it out, and press Second. See here on the blue list 3, you'd press second number 3, and that would give you list 3. But I would just stick to using list 1 and list 2. Go down all the way to Calculate. You don't need to worry about these two here. Press Enter, and it's going to give you the coefficients of the model. So A, the number in front of x cubed, is -1. B, the number in front of x squared, is -2. And then just to show you what these numbers are, this 2.6e -12, that's scientific notation. What that's really saying is that to get it in this number in standard form, you would have to shift the decimal 12 places to the left, which would put 11 zeros in front of the 2's and the 6. So basically this number is very, 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 very small. The same thing here. You would shift the decimal 12 places to the left, so that would put 11 zeros in front of the 3 and the 8. Once again, a very, very, very small number. So when you round these two numbers, C and D, to 3 decimal places, they end up being 0. So because they are 0, we're just going to go ahead and leave them off, and your model is going to look like this. Y equals -x cubed plus 2x squared. So this is your model here that represents the data above. And that's it for this video.